My name is Ella. Today I'll show you how to install the vinyl dance floor wrap quickly, easily, and safely. Are you ready? Let's go! Step 1. Please ensure that your floor is dirt and dust free. At least 2 people will be needed for installation. Step 2. We highly recommend using our tool for smooth installation. Link to the tool in the description below. Step 3. Unroll all the vinyl pieces and line them up side by side so that you can see the entire design. Step 4. Peel off the backing of the first vinyl piece from the top left corner. Step 5. Peel 12 inches of the vinyl off the backing paper and fold it over. Please don't fold into a crease. Step 6. Fold the backing paper under. Step 7. Stick the vinyl to your floor using our tool. Make sure to press firmly to avoid bubbles. Step 8. Roll the rest of the vinyl up to make sure it's out of the way. Step 9. While one person holds the roll and pulls the backing paper, the second person slowly uses the squeegee to adhere the vinyl to the floor. Step 10. Adhere the entire tile to your floor. Step 11. The design printed on the vinyl should be lined up correctly. The second tile needs to be overlapped on the first tile by 1 inch. This is very important. The design will only line up if they overlap by 1 inch. Step 12. To install the second tile, peel and repeat steps 4 through 10. The process is the same whether you are installing 2 tiles or 20. Step 13. Dance the night away on your awesome dance floor. Max Powers Graphics. Print perfect.